In this question, we are given some information that 83 times 15 equals 1,245. We don't have to work that out. We're given that information. But then we're asked a series of questions about this calculation. The first one being, what would 83 times 150 be? Now, if we look at what we get when we do 83 times 15, then 83 times 150, we can see that we've multiplied this 15 by 10. So the same thing will happen to our answer. This will get 10 times bigger. So essentially, each one of the digits moves up a place in terms of its place value. The 5 was in the units column, it's now in the tens column. The 4 was in the tens column, it's now in the hundreds column, and so on. The next question was, what was 83 times 1.5? So again, using our powers of 10 to reason, this answer is going to be 10 times smaller than the original, because 1.5 is 10 times smaller than 15. So all I need to do is move place value back one. So now the 5 was in the units column, it's now in the tenths column. So there's my decimal point. The 4, which was in the tenths column, is now in the units column, and so on. So my answer for this one is 124.5. 83, oh no, 8.3 even, times 1.5. Now, 8.3 is 10 times smaller than 83, and 1.5 is 10 times smaller than 15. So the answer is going to be not 10, but 100 times smaller, 10 times 10, than the original answer. So this time, my decimal point is going there. So the 5 that was in the units column is now in the hundredths column. The 4 was in the tens, it's now in the tenths. The 2 was in the hundreds column, it's now in the units column. And the 1 that was in the thousandths is now in the tens column. So that is the answer to the third question. The last one, we were told that something times 1.5 gives us 1,245, which is the same answer as we had if we multiplied 83 by 15. Now, what we have to do, this is a trickier one. If it was 83 times 1.5, then the answer would be 10 times smaller. If it was 830 times 1.5, then that would give us the same answer. If this side has been multiplied by 10 and this side has been divided by 10, then the answer will be equivalent. So the answer to this question, the final one, is the unknown number would be 830. How did you get on?